This slim, bright, cordless vacuum was an absolute must for my range. It provides effortless cleaning, it's super versatile, and it looks amazing. This vacuum provides powerful and effective cleaning that helps you whiz through your home. The cordless vacuum has a high setting for tougher debris and auto speed for a longer and more energy efficient cleaning. We have anti-tangle technology with this vacuum, which means there's no hair on the roller brush and it's super easy to keep clean. This comes with a range of accessories. We've got the 2-in-1 crevice tool, the long nozzle and the pet tool. The cordless design provides up to 35 minutes runtime from a single charge that makes cleaning your home super easy. So the 9 pieces in this range have been personally selected by me. They've all got an amazing use within the home. They're all different, they're slightly unique to what is currently on the market. They're bright, they're beautiful, and we are going to make cleaning so much fun with these 9 fabulous pieces.